Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And let's get out of the way because this guy is coming through. Let's go. Okay, so we're going to look at this Marvel Legends figure. And as you can see, he is in a humble, transparent plastic bag because we purchased this separately from the wave. Okay, so we only got the buff part and the figure is still unbuilt. So we're gonna build this figure, but this one is Bonebreaker. So, but before we do, as always, let's take a look at some Heroclix figure related to Bonebreaker. And there's actually just one figure ever made in Heroclix form about Bonebreaker. And this is it. So you can see he is a Golden Age figure. Okay, he is on a platform which is typical to the newer ones. And he is half human and half machine. Specifically tank. Okay, so always a good combination, a fusion of the two. He is a cyborg, as we call it. I have the figure but I don't have the card, so we have to look at HC Manager to know his dial. So Bonebreaker is set number 44 from, I think this is giant size X-Men set. Okay, so 96 points, range of 6. Probably because of the fact he has guns and cannons as a tank. Keywords, Reavers, and Robot. Okay, so he is a member of the Reavers, a villain group of cyborg, anti-mutants, gun for hires, and mercenaries. Okay, and this is his combat values, quite low, but he has a special movement power. So let's take a look. Actually, he has a trait, which is tank chassis. Bonebreaker ignores hindering terrain for movement purposes and automatically breaks away. So in simple terms, he has improved movement, hindering, and character. And a special movement power, tank treads. Bonebreaker can use running shot. If he uses running shot to move along a straight horizontal or vertical path, he doesn't have his speed value. Okay, so one of the rare figures, Golden Age figures, that has that full movement running shot, which is very powerful, I would imagine. But it's so weird for him to move horizontally. Okay, so vertical seems to always be the best type of movement, especially for running shot. So you move 10 and then range for 6. That will make him 16 range effectively, but with only 9 attack and 3 damage. So interesting. This is Bonebreaker. As he is the only figure, let's hope that WizKids make a modern Bonebreaker in the next X-Men set. Okay. Or perhaps a legacy card of this particular character. Okay. I can see the tank treads special powers still being relevant in modern times. You just need to find a way to increase the attack value and defense value for this character, and it should be good, and perhaps lower down the points. Okay, so let's cross our fingers that we'll get that figure come 2023. So that is Bonebreaker. Okay. I like this detail, a tattoo on the left arm. Okay, with a knife. What? I can't see what's written. Okay. And then there. Okay, without further ado, let's take a look and build our figure of Bonebreaker. It's been a while since I built a bath figure. I've had this for the longest time, but didn't have time to really shoot videos lately. Okay. Ooh. I hope it's still complete. I did not check it when I first got the figure. I just assumed, because I bought it from a usual seller, that it is complete. Oh, I like that, first and foremost. Okay. I like the fact that the sunglasses are articulated. Okay. He seems to be very jolly, this Bonebreaker. This Bonebreaker is serious, but the Marvel Legends is very jolly. He's happy to shoot down opponents. Okay, and as you can see, here are the pieces of the tank. Okay. How does this work? Okay, this seems to go here. Okay. And let's bolt in. Oh, I need something here. And something here also. Okay, let's put first items here. I really hope I'm doing it correctly. What do we place here? Barrels? Let's put the arms, extra arms on the side for now. And then guns on the side. So Bonebreaker can transform his arms even to cannon. Okay, that's his power set. And of course, the tank enables him to tread any and all terrain. I guess except water. This seems to go here, but I don't know what's here. This one? Ah, okay, that's right. That's right. Okay, so let's see if we got this correctly. Okay, oops. You need to have patience when you're building bath figures. Okay, these are delicate operations. Okay. Easy does it. This seems to have... What's this? A cannon? Armalite? It doesn't close, so this might need to be rotated, I guess. Let's try it first. Okay. Let's rotate this. This might work this way. Oops. I should probably take a look, Google a picture of this bath built. Okay. Ah, there you go. It's better. There. So it's a perfect fit. Okay. Let's put the character on top. Oh. Careful. We don't want to ruin the buff. We don't want to ruin the buff. It doesn't fit. That's a bit sad. Let's not force it. Ah, there. Okay. So we have the buff done. And where does these barrels go? Ah, there. Here at the back. Probably here. Okay. There you go. Okay. So this particular Bonebreaker in Heroclix form comes with 2 handguns. The buff figure just comes with a big ass gun. So let's put it on his hand. And he's ready to wreck opponents. Ha ha ha. Break some bones, as the name suggests. So I hope you like this figure. What are your thoughts? I think it's a good buff. Okay, it's unique because of the cyborg tank and figure, and will be a good addition to your Marvel Legends collection. Easy to stand, okay, but very limited poses, I guess. But for now, let's be happy and bid farewell. Bye bye.